Hey there. Last time we talked about size of intervals. It's a number from C to E is a third. You count three. C, D, E. There's three. Now, an interval has two parts to its name. One is the size, and the other is the quality. The quality. And an interval can be one of four basic qualities. There are others, but these are the ones we're going to worry about. It could be a major interval, or a minor interval, or an augmented interval, or a diminished interval. Major, minor, augmented, and diminished. And just to make it easier on us, major, uppercase M, minor, lowercase m, augmented, uppercase A, diminished, lowercase d. Okay? Now, next time we'll talk about what these specifically mean. But we have a size and a quality, and so not just a third, we can have a major third, or a minor third, or an augmented third, or a diminished third. Okay? But here's the deal. If you have a major interval, intervals are made up of half steps. If you take away a half step, it becomes minor. If you take away another half step, it becomes diminished. If you add a half step to a major interval, you make it even more major. You make it bigger. You make it augmented. Okay. Diminished, minor, major, augmented. Memorize this. If you take a major interval and add a half step, it's augmented. Major interval take away, it becomes minor. Most of the time. But there are special intervals called perfect. They must be special because they're called perfect. If you have a perfect interval and you add a half step, it becomes augmented. If you have a perfect interval and take away a half step, it becomes diminished. Perfect intervals cannot be major or minor. These are two different things. So, perfect, major, minor, not equal. Very different. And next time, we'll talk about specifically what this means. But for right now, know that intervals can be major, minor, augmented, diminished. If you add and take away half steps, this is what you get. And for perfect intervals, they can only be augmented or diminished. They cannot be major or minor. Have a great day.